Here are some tips on cooking pasta. So first of all, don't wait for the pan to boil by itself. Fill it with boiling water from the kettle, makes it much faster. Make sure you fill the pan nice and deep so that it easily covers the pasta when you put it in. You don't want to be cooking pasta in hardly any water because it gets all stodgy and you don't want that. The next thing you want to do is season the water. You want to season it with plenty of salt. Then we bring it up to a boil, add our pasta, and then we simmer it. So we don't want to boil it too hard because otherwise it breaks up the pasta and again makes it all stodgy. But we do want the water to keep on moving. Test it every now and again to see if it's cooked and then drain it. Get a colander ready in the sink and carefully carry the pan over to the sink. Drain it by pouring it away from you into the colander. Give the colander a shake. Once all the water's gone, put that colander back on top of the pan and carry it back to where you need it. And make sure you serve it as fast as you can. You don't want it sitting over a hot pan for too long or sitting and getting stodgy on its own. Mix it in with whatever sauce you've got or plate it up, but let's get eating. Enjoy! Don't forget there are plenty of tips like this throughout our book. All you need to do is find the tip that you want, get your phone, give it a scan, and that will take you right to where you need to go. Or simply follow us for more tips just like this. Enjoy!